Hey, it's Tom, the voice of The Story Behind the Car. So for years, I've been going to car shows, and I've always found it interesting that when you walk around and you talk to the owners of the vehicles and you ask them questions, you get their perspective of why they bought that vehicle, how they acquired it. Maybe their grandfather or their father gave it to them. But I've always found those stories interesting, and that's what this channel is about. That's what got me starting this channel. I just enjoy talking to car guys and gals about their vehicles, what drew them to it, what they've done to it, what they want to do to it, and future plans, that type of thing. What I've also found interesting is over the years how many people have come up to me and said, wow, I love your car, I love your truck, I wish I had one like that, or I had a chance to buy one and I didn't, or I would love to have one but I don't have the money. So that's the other thing I wanted to do on this channel, is just show you, in speaking to the various owners and getting their story behind their car, and showing or showcasing how they ended up acquiring the vehicle. So it will give you some inspiration and start putting money aside and start looking for your dream vehicle. So if you like classic cars, car shows, road trips, shop tours, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, ring the bell, and join us along the journey. You don't want to miss out on what's next, the story behind the car. Thanks again.